Meet Basheer Basari, a 17-year-old plus one humanities student from Lakshadweep, driven by compassion and a strong sense of social responsibility. With a clear ambition towards social service, Basheer reflects a mindset focused on unity, cooperation, and everyday actions that create positive change. Supported by his parents, Muhammad Basheer, Ahmed, and Farida, he believes that meaningful impact begins with small, consistent efforts. Through his talk, Unity is Maintenance Tiny Habits for a Better World, Bashir explores how simple daily choices can strengthen communities and build a better society.
I scrolled past a video today that made my whole chest tight. It was a war clip, a meme about it. And I realized something. We were living in a world where even sadness gets turned into contents. I am 17, so I grew up with phone in my hand and the world in my pocket. Every morning I woke up, open Instagram. Within two scrolls, I see someone arguing about politics, someone posting a motivational reels, someone showing a disaster, someone else making joke on the disaster. I am sitting there thinking, is this normal? We laugh, we share, we react, but deep inside, a lot of us feel something else. That strange mix of confusion and helplessness. And somehow the world feels both too heavy and too meaningless at the same time. I felt that when I saw a group chat go silent after a news notification. We were talking about homework. Suddenly, someone sent a photo from a conflict zone, and then nothing. No jokes, no bro, no stickers, just silence. For a whole hour, the whole group chat had taken a breath and forgot how to exhale. That moment made me realize why we keep talking about unity and peace. Because without them, everything feels brittle like glass. We teenagers, we are the ones who live in the cracks. Here is the thing, unity and peace are not these big things. Abstract words mean for only leaders, speeches, or textbooks. They are actually small habits, tiny choices that we make every day while scrolling, chatting, laughing, living. Let me share three simple ideas. Idea 1. Stop treating the world like a comment section. Every time we react something online, we are adding a tiny piece to the atmosphere of the world. If the comment section is full of anger, the world feels angrier. If it's full of empathy, the world feels calmer. We don't need to stop debating because debate shapes ideas. But we can stop treating disagreements like an attack. A simple rule, argue the idea, not the person. It sounds basic, but it changes everything. Unity doesn't mean everyone agrees. Unity means everyone feels safe to disagree. Honestly, we teenagers, we are already expert at arguments. We just need to shift the energy. Idea 2. Choose one small action that's connect you to someone different from you. Unity does not happen when we meet someone who is like us. Unity happens when we actually meet persons who are not like us. A little secret. People love being understood more than being agreed with. When we connect our story to someone else's story, we feel the world bigger and smaller at the same time. Bigger because how many experiences exist, and smaller because suddenly we feel less alone. Idea 3. Protect your peace so you can share peace. We talk about world peace, but we forget about inner peace. If your own mind is constantly stressed, angry, or overwhelmed, you can't give peace to others. If you calm your noise, your voice become clear. Your voice is clear, your actions become kinder. Your actions become kinder, unity becomes natural. Peace is contagious, but actually when we carry it, the world is not broken because of people who try big things. It's broken because of little things, little habits go wrong. Unity and peace are not magic, they are maintenance. Maybe we can't stop every war, maybe we can't fix every injustice, but we can fix the climate around us. And from that climate, bigger changes grow. Here is my final thought. We are keep waiting for a big moment, a big leader, a big miracle to bring unity and peace. Maybe unity is not a moment. Maybe peace is not a miracle. Maybe they are maintenance that we should take. Maybe they are choices made quietly, repeatedly by ordinary people like us. Teenagers with phones, with worries, with hopes, with uncertainty, but also with the power to soften the world instead of hardening it. If we choose empathy over noise, curiosity over judgment, calm over chaos, unity becomes something we create. And once we create it, the world feels a little less broken and a little more hopeful. Thank you.